Today's the day. I have just checked the armrest and it appears to be flat all the way around. Right up into about here where my thumb is and right down to here. It's going to be a small armrest, but it's important that we do this part correctly. So here's what we're going to do. We got to make a template here of what this armrest will look like. I just need to get this tape to peel, which seems to be pretty difficult right now. This is simply painter's tape. That's pretty good. Before we started today, I came down earlier and I added more shellac in and around here because when we use the glue, I want to be sure not to get any glue caught up on the top because the glue can stain the top. So putting the shellac on prevents that from happening. It's just a protective coat, that's all. Oh, that's looking pretty good. There we are. And I think that'll work just fine. Now, as you can see here, we've got the edge here and the edge here. So I want to make sure I can see that. So here's what we do with the pencil. That pencil mark details the outline of the armrest. Now the key is for us to take this off. Okay,